Enterprise systems are large-scale application software packages that support business processes. From a hardware perspective, enterprise systems are for service. Enterprise systems are large-scale application software packages that support business processes. From a hardware standpoint, enterprise systems are the servers, storage, and associated software that large businesses use as the foundation for their IT software. These systems are designed to manage large volumes of critical data. These systems are typically designed to provide high level of transaction performance and data security. So why should businesses care? One of the most important aspects of improving the customer's experience is having data stored and you can easily find it. What you can monitor can be fixed. Some examples of data storage are customer order history. We can look at this a lot when we talk about Amazon as well as McDonald's. So when we talk about McDonald's saving money, I'm talking about their new mobile order app that allows you to pay over the phone and just show up and you're right there. It takes away that communication between the cashier and the customer, but allows them to get their food sooner. Technology is always advancing. One of the greatest benefits of using an enterprise system to manage your supply chain is you can focus on the entire company's needs. Because you can get discounts in bulk ordering, your enterprise system can help you determine the total quantity of supplies you need for your business and therefore can save you money. You can also save time and money by identifying which suppliers have the best on-time delivery track record. In certain parts of the country, Amazon has 1 hour delivery. In places such as Manhattan, they'll have a warehouse directly downtown, and if you're close enough, you can actually get your order delivered within that same hour. A social issue that comes with this territory is that you lose the personal connection with the customer. Customers are talking to a machine instead of actually talking to a sales representative. It takes out the human interaction, and in many cases, sales can drop. An example that I saw online was one time Nike, I believe it was in the early 2000s, went and started to revamp their internal system, and they ended up losing $100 million in sales and their stocks plummeted by 20%. Another example is the University of Massachusetts in 2004 had a computer programming that screwed up nearly all the new incoming freshmen's schedules. They didn't know that they weren't going to be able to find their class schedule, and some of them couldn't even get their financial aid checks. One of the websites that I used was smallbusiness.com. They talked about different types of enterprise systems, and it gave me a better understanding of customer relationship management, supply chain management, and just understanding enterprise resources overall. Another website that I checked out was the University of Scranton.com. It's an online school that talked about how you can take data and actually make it into something usable instead of just having a bunch of random facts. So lastly, I checked out CIO.com to understand some real-world examples, and that's where I found out about Nike and a bunch of the other companies. Like Hershey's had a giant altercation a few years ago that cost them over $100 million in Hershey Kiss sales. So to make this video, once again, I used iMovie and I used my Canon T6, just filming inside my house. I don't have any external microphone, but I want to get a light and a microphone coming up shortly.